Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was losing pressure mid-shot. Like it was just pressurizing all the way to the pre-infusion and then will just boom, lose pressure suddenly. And that was because this basket is broken. You can see it right here. Come on, focus camera. This little line that you see right here. Focus. Focus. Sorry, hard to focus, but probably you can see it from here. There you go, you can see the opposite side there. There you go. As you can see, it's broken and it was no longer pressurizing inside. So that was the only issue with this machine. We already did another espresso shot coming out of this machine, and you can now see one getting poured as well. Previously, the machine will just lose pressure around there and it will just sneeze into the cup. But as you can see, now it's keeping up the pressure, working the way it's supposed to, making a good shot. Nice cup of coffee. Not losing pressure or anything like that, working the way it's supposed to. Hot water for this machine, we're gonna test that out too. Nice steady stream coming out of the hot water one, and for the steam we're gonna test that one as well. Just gonna need the thermoblock to reach temperature. Once it reaches the temperature, we're gonna see that water coming, that steam coming out through the one. Takes a little bit for the thermoblock to reach that temperature, so we're gonna see a little bit of water pouring out through the one, just like we did see before. And as pressure builds up, we're gonna see more steam coming out through here. Once the thermoblock reaches that temperature, the water pump will start pulsing water through the whole system, and we're gonna see some nice steady steam coming out of the machine, as you can see right now. So there you have it, Breville working once again with a new basket in there. So thank you so much for repairing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content of this every day, and thanks for watching.